All right, well, as you guys saw, there's the new ST. The first things I'm gonna be doing to it is doing a laydown plate and deleting this crap. So I will turn this down and I will show you guys what I got. Here is just a cheap laydown plate and your hardware. Boom and boom. So yeah, there's that. And then in this one, I went with the Moons. So there's the bracket. There's the harness. Here is the actual taillight. So there's all that stuff. Before I actually install it, again, daytime, nighttime might be a little different. I'll go ahead and show you guys obviously the different functions. So that's what the brake looks like now. Obviously that's that turn. That's that turn. You know what? Let's go ahead and take these bags off as well. Gonna be screw here, screw here. Okay. I'll show you guys this clip. So, little clip right here. This might work. Hold on one second. And then you just do that. Once you get the light off, that's how it looks right there. Obviously this is the tail light, and then each one of these is for left and right turn signal. This bolt is what's actually holding all this in place, so we'll pull that off in a second. Most people just cut all this stuff, like cut these little zip ties here. We're gonna leave all that because we're taking off the whole harness. So on the inside of here, we're gonna be unplugging this one, and this one right here. And then obviously cutting these zip ties that are holding everything in place. Something else you guys should definitely do if you guys haven't done it yet is replace this bolt right here to a grade 12 if you guys can, because these are known to break off, and this is getting wedged in between your fender and destroying stuff. So definitely replace that if you guys can. Pop off here, pop off here. Okay, so this clip right here, you pull out, and then you can pull straight. Pretty self-explanatory. All right, so now the harness is off there. It's gonna be like a double-sided like foam piece that's gonna go all the way to there. But what we'll do next, actually, yeah, we're gonna peel off that piece now. Once we get that peeled off, then we're gonna undo that screw. So we got this peeled down, wires are pressed through, one simple screw in the back. Undo that, and this just lifts up. Then you gotta press your there's a little tab on the back where your harness goes through, just pull that down. And then pull all of this out. So now that this is out, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the back fender off, and I'm gonna weigh the stock stuff just curious. All right, let's go ahead and weigh everything. We'll start by the stock license plate bracket. So stock hardware's in it. There's that and that. Plus, oh, make sure that's zeroed. Zeroed. 0.82. Get these two bolts on. .87. And now .87 to 1.24, so about a half pound heavier. Half pound heavier on this. And this is the old taillight setup. .59, and then also that screw. So 3.3 pounds for that setup. Go ahead and stick this in the box. So 3.3, so we're at a half pound heavier on that. And now this setup with the screw. Zeroed. So 3.3 down to 1.08. So 2.2 pounds savings here and half pound added there. So roughly 1.5-ish savings. Not too bad. Really matters when you start with. I'm just going to start with this one, so it'll be easier for me to get my fingers in there. So I went ahead and got that on. Again, it's loose, but we're able to get that bracket still in there. Here is now the harness. What we're gonna do is run it all the way to the front. We're not gonna take the tape off yet. We're just gonna run it through. Plugs are up in there. Pull this through just about right there. And we're gonna go ahead and plug in all this stuff up in the front. Plug that one in, press that little clip down. Boom, locked in place. Then you have a silver and a black. Again, I don't know 100% yet until we're all done, but I just noticed they put a little silver dot, at least I think. So I'm gonna plug that in the silver one, and this one's black. So we're gonna plug that in the black one. Now. So got those clipped in, all nice in their spot. The stock hole right here, I'm just gonna use a zip tie and just zip tie it down. Again, we'll pretty up all this in a minute. The other one went right there, but we'll wait on that. The next thing that we're gonna have to do is connect or peel off the double-sided tape. So I'm gonna place this, I'm gonna peel it off and place it right next to the other one. You guys will be able to see. I actually just, since my bike literally has 100 miles on it, it's like perfectly clean under here. I just placed it right on top of the old. What I'll probably end up doing is maybe getting some like Gorilla Tape and just maybe doing like 2 strips. Just in case. I have seen some people where they've had issues of this coming undone. But we'll see. So here is the Moon's base. Let's tuck that down right there for now. I'm leaving the stock clip. They include a clip and screw. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to use the stock one. Unless it doesn't work, but I don't see why it wouldn't work. Anyways, there's this little groove right here. This groove is going to lip into there. It's going to just suck in place basically just like that. Obviously this is loose, good there. Make sure your gasket is nice and flush. So we're basically just like that. Super easy enough. I'm pressing it all the way down so it's symmetrical there. Okay. Good there. All that lines up, so yeah, I'm gonna use the stock screw. I'd go tight with this, but I wouldn't go insanely tight. Again, make sure that's nice and flat. I think that's good, more than good. And then I'll be able to adjust the plate now off of this, as long as that's all nice and straight, which it should be. Now you can take this, tuck that up through there. Locks in place there. Here's this one, and again, you're just gonna plug them in. Actually, I need to take the little screws out of the stock taillight, so let me do that real quick. All right, pulled these 2 screws from the other one. Now let's go ahead and plug this in. Good there. This is that one could go there or there. These I don't know where they go. Let's just plug them in here, I guess. Go from there. I'm just gonna put this lightly on. Again, it's not all the way on, but let's just see if why are we not? There it goes. All right, so let's see, make sure the brake works. Nope. All right, so we have to flip them. All right, no big deal. So let's go ahead and flip those. Green is going to be on the left, brown is going to be on the right. I'm not sure how these clips come undone, but I'm going to get a towel so this can hang. It's starting to get dark, but we're basically almost done. I went ahead and just tightened these three. Next step is going to be just bending the plate a little bit and screwing it on. Anyways, I think I gotta bend the plate more, but you guys get the idea. That's basically it. Pull the plate back off and bend it and get it all on there. But once I get that done, I'm gonna put the bags back on and I will show you guys what it looks like with the bags on. So everything is all done, plates on, and what's nice is actually this lay down plate, it's still seen pretty well with the top license plate light. I'm just going to show you guys what it would look like kind of roughly at nighttime. That one, and there's that one. So kind of get an idea of what it all looks like. Again, there's the license plate light on the top, but I think it looks great. I think it really makes the whole, I don't know, back end just look way nicer versus you got these fucking things hanging off. Just cleans it up. So it's the first little thing after obviously removing the reflectors that I've done. I'm not exactly sure what the next thing is going to be. I know exhaust is definitely on its way. Air cleaner, I'm trying to decide. Same with pegs, not sure which ones, and bar setup, tune, cam, yada yada. But yeah, there you guys go. That is just a quick little video. Yeah, if you guys want me to do anything else or you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask.